Hello, today I present connective tissue massage, a clinical therapy that eases chronic tension, improves mobility, and restores balance. Using targeted hand techniques, it promotes healing. Slow, deep pressures stretch connective tissues, releasing restrictions from injury or posture. Gentle traction enhances flexibility, supporting joint health. These methods boost circulation, calming the nervous system, and easing discomfort. Oils like tea tree, with anti-inflammatory benefits, soothe tissues and enhance relief, their subtle scent grounding the senses. Connective tissue massage lowers cortisol, boosts endorphins, and promotes mental focus. Ideal for pain relief, this therapy rejuvenates the body, leaving you aligned. Connective tissue massage offers a precise, hands-on path to physical recovery and vitality.